So I was asked to make a video of what my car sounds like. 392 Challenger Scat Pack with a mid-muffler delete replaced with the Dynomax mini race bullet and resonator cut out with some 4-inch quad tips on the back. Gonna do a cold start and let you guys hear how it sounds. This was requested by some guys that I commented on the video about. So here we go, cold start. That's the cold start on my Challenger. And here's a cold start on my Dodge Charger Daytona with the 5.7 with the carving exhaust tips. See the big 5-inch carvings right there. Here's a cold start for you guys just in case you want to hear that too. Here goes. So those are the two cold starts. Hope that met everybody's request. Take care, guys. More power in the house. Later.